Yeah, well, no, this one was funny because we were filming Chart Talk last week and we did it during market hours trying to get like a jump start on it. And I was like, we got to hang this shit up. Like, I got to buy this Qcom 81. And look at it, 5 days, it's gone straight up. I'm in this one with him. This one I'm just like sitting, holding, not trying to do too much, just trailing it. Right now, it's trading at $91 and the 8-day simple moving average is at $84. That tells us it needs sideways badly. But so right now I'm trimming into strength, but I'm also holding on to a core position with a decently wide stop so that I can have the best of both worlds. I can be in it for the longer term, but I also book gains right now. So, yeah, this Qcom is awesome.
So now for Roberto, he's got to stop for some verse like at 83.5, and then he has some verse at 87.5. These two last little spots.
Yeah, both make sense. Yeah, absolutely.